Good morning, friends. Hope you're doing well. Now, first of all, I would like to thank you for purchasing our template. Now, it's a very easy to customize project. Let's see. Let's open the project in After Effects. Here I already opened it. This comp is final render comp. It's only required at the end. Now, let's start with changing the text. Here you can see the folder called change your text here, and here is the folder where you can change your photographs. Now simply just click on it, and here you can see total 9 text holders here, 2 titles and one is last text. It's called credit. Now double click on it, title text one. Here I put small Christmas badges for you guys. This one is title text 2. It's called Innovator Presents. You can write whatever you want. You can put your logo or anything you want. Just simply double click on it and simple text. Right. Okay, and this is really beautiful font, Moonflower Bold. The link to download this font is available in the project description. Uh, this one is the credit text. It says thanks for watching. You can write whatever you want. Similarly, just double click on comp 1, 2, 3, 4. In some comps I put Christmas images, and some I put text. So you can write whatever the text you want or images you want to insert. Just make sure it has a white background, so it can easily merge with our images. Okay, that's it. Now after changing the text, you can easily change your images. Let me close this placeholders. Okay, just simply here I have image missing here. That's why you can see that. Now it's just you can see the total 46 placeholder in this project. Now just simply double click on the 01, and here I put this image and this one. This image, you can just simply insert your images and drag and drop your images here. This all images are not included in the project. I'm just showing you my version of the project. Now simply one by one double click on each placeholders, and you can simply drag and drop your images here. That's it. Now go to final render comp, and you can see that if you drag your sliders, you can easily see that all the images or whatever the changes you've done, it's reflected into the final render comp. And one more thing, if you don't want this Christmas elements like this candy and this candy, a small beer, yeah, beer. If you don't want these all Christmas elements, you can easily hide that with our expression driven control. Just simply click on and off, and you can easily hide all of this. So you can use this project not only for the Christmas purpose, but for anything, for birthdays, anniversaries, wedding, and many more purpose. You can use this template. So it's very easy to use and very easy to customize. Okay, so that's it. If you have any queries or if you need any customization, just feel free to contact me. I'm available for you guys. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.